ironic that June 16th would be Father's Day and I'd come running so that you and me could conversate. It was the first time I realized that you don't love me the same, and I'll lose sleep tonight if I don't run this red light. And I hope that I put this McLaren in the rain, and if I wake up, I hope that I forget your face, forget your name. Is it me or is it harder when I look in your eyes? Cause I see it in your face when you lie, and I even try forgetting all the things that you hide. But it's clear you living a double life. Wish you'd admit that I know you best ain't nothing on God's green earth I can't detect when it comes to you. But I won't go to the ends to protect one who could never earn my respect. But if I should die before the sun should rise, hope we get the chance in the next life, in case we indeed live twice. Maybe we'll live long, but baby, tonight I hope I put this McLaren in the rain, and if I wake up, I hope that I forget your face, forget your name. And you know, I know it ain't love unless love just ain't enough. And I hate to give it up, but I'd much rather have trust